Guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can add and set up the scenarios in the Deebot T30 Pro. First, open the application, select the last tab and click on the Customize. Now you can select the first room to clean and the second one. Now if you want to adjust the settings for each room, click on the small edit icon, and if you want to make the scenarios for just mopping, for example, select the water flow, the high, then select it for the second room. You can select for example the quiet mode and the low flow rate, then tap on the save and add the name to the scenario. Basically that's it. Now you can start the cleaning by the saved template. That's it. Thanks for watching.